Hello everyone, it's me, Janette, and I want to do a fun project with you. So the items that we're using are things that you may have around your house. So you can use whatever you have. I'll show you what I have. So we have some googly eyes, foam cup, I even have a frisbee, some stick glue, I have some scissors, highlighters, pipe cleaners, some cotton balls, and a big bag of beads. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I really don't have a plan, but I'm just going to come up with my own design, and so I think I'm going to do a little character out of the foam cup. All right, so I'm going to start off with the googly eyes. So I'll just go ahead, get the glue, and I'm going to put the glue right here on the back of the googly eyes. You can use white glue or whatever you have. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask an adult. All right, so I got glue on there. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on here. All right, so I have my googly eyes on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and add its hair. Right, so I'm gonna use the cotton balls for its hair. Over here dropping things. So I'm just gonna like stretch it out a little bit, put some glue on top, and put a good amount so the cotton balls can stick. All right, so I'm just gonna start sticking it on there. You could even use colorful pom-poms, whatever you have. All right, so he has his hair on there. And then let's go ahead and do the nose. So I'm going to use a bead. Get a very colorful bead as his nose. Make sure I close that up. Let's do a bigger one. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and put some glue on your cup. You gotta, with the glue stick, you have to kind of put a good amount of glue for the items to stick. So I'll do that. So that's what it looks like so far. And then I have a highlighter. I'm going to pick blue to draw its mouth. And you can use anything for your character's mouth. Alright, I'm just going to give him a smiley face. There we go. Alright, and then the last thing I want to add to my character is arms. So I have my scissors. I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. I don't want its arms to be too long. Alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stick a hole in here. Instead of gluing it, I'm just going to stick it in here. And then you could just go on the bottom, kind of pull it in there. Alright, and then go ahead and do it to the other side. Okay. And I kind of bend it so it won't fall out the inside of the cup. Okay, and then you can go ahead and bend your arms the way that you want them to be. So I'm just going to do that. Alright. This is my character, and I named him Cloudy. Alright, so you guys go ahead and make a fun project at home, and then you can always tag us in a Facebook photo if you took a picture of it. Alright, you guys have fun.